Hello friends, you are watching bug free tutorial. So today we will discuss about what is software testing. We will discuss few points here like what is software testing, importance of software testing, different types of software testing. There are three types of software testing: white box testing, black box testing, gray box testing. So we will discuss all the points here. Okay. So now we go ahead. Software testing. Software testing is a part of software engineering. With the help of software testing, we can find the bug which is present and developed software or existing software so that our application should be bug free. So before we understand software testing, let first we understand what is testing in general manner. Okay. See, if you go into market and you buy some product, like any product, and you take it to your home, okay, and while using it you found that this product is faulty, okay, so you will get annoyed, right? And you will not buy that product again. So in consideration to it, every company wants to deliver good quality product to its customer, but in order to deliver good product to customer, they need to verify the quality of product. So same we can relate here with the software testing. Every software company wants to deliver their application in a good quality, so they need to maintain the quality of our application with the help of software testing. So now you can understand what is the importance of software testing. Now we will go for a definition of software testing. Software testing is a method to check whether the actual software product matches expected requirements and to ensure that software product is defect free. This is the definition of our software testing, guys. So we will move ahead. Types of software testing. First is white box testing. White box testing is also known as code level testing, unit testing, glass box testing, and developer is involved in this testing. In white box testing, developer checks only positive scenario of our application. In white box testing, developer needs to know internal design of code. So now I will explain white box testing in detail. Okay. So see, in white box testing, whenever a developer complete his code, he compile all the code and check it with only positive scenario. If any bug occurs, the developer has to solve that issue on the same environment. Developer cannot send code to testing without doing white box testing. And in white box testing, a person who performing white box testing need to know internal design of code. Without knowing the internal design of code, he cannot perform the white box testing. Okay. So now guys, I hope you understand about white box testing. Okay, now we will move ahead for black box testing. So friends, black box testing is a testing in which we check overall functionality of our application. We don't need to learn any programming language for this testing, guys. And in this testing we check both positive as well as negative scenario. And in this testing, tester is involved. And in this testing we don't know the internal structure of our application. Like we can take one example of it. See, if you are going to take test drive of a car, okay, and you know that how to ride that car, okay, but you don't know the internal structure of that car, like how engine is built and how exhaust is built, etc. So in that case, tester know what software is supposed to do, but he is not aware of how does it. Okay. So I hope guys you understood about black box testing thoroughly. Okay. Now we will move to our next type, which is gray box testing. Okay. Gray box testing is a combination of white box testing and black box testing. And in this testing, programming language is necessary, guys. To perform gray box testing, we need to know the programming language, and tester has to resolve the issue without sending back to developer. Because see, whenever the software is handed over to the tester, then tester check its all functionalities properly working or not, friends. If any error occurred, Then gray box tester itself has to solve that issue without sending back to developer. If any issue occurred, then while performing gray box testing, that tester has to solve that issue without sending back to the developer. So hope guys you understand about what is software testing and types of software testing. So please subscribe to our channel so we will get back to you with more video regarding software testing. Thank you.